Online versus offline uninterrupted power supplies. Welcome back to Be Your Wife's Technician. Today, we're going head-to-head with online UPS versus offline UPS. Online UPS is like having a superhero guarding your devices 24/7. Unlike offline UPS, it keeps your gadgets running on battery power all the time. The battery is charged by the battery charger when the main power supply is available. The inverter continuously converts the direct current supply coming from the battery to alternating current to power up your devices. This means there's no break in the power supply even if the electricity supply is suddenly cut off from the grid. Online UPS also comes with built-in features like automatic voltage regulation and surge protection. These extras help keep your devices safe from unexpected power spikes or dips. Now, let's shift our focus to offline UPS. Offline UPS operates a bit differently. It lets your devices run on the main power supply most of the time, only kicking in when there's a power outage or surge. While offline UPS might have a slight delay when switching from main power to battery power, it still provides essential backup during emergencies. Did you know that online UPS is ideal for critical devices like servers, medical equipment, and data centers? Its constant battery power ensures these systems stay up and running without any interruptions. On the other hand, offline UPS is perfect for home offices, entertainment setups, and personal computers. It offers reliable backup power without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in to Be Your Wife's Technician. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay powered up.